Hi, it's Mike again. Welcome to another video. Thanks for clicking to my channel. Today's video is a quick little video on a quick little Landcruiser mod that I needed to do. Something that's been bothering me for a long time now. And thanks to city racers down in California, they developed something that is really cool, and I'll show you. So in my Landcruiser here, my shift knob is kind of ratty and old, and it's missing the decal for the shift pattern. And I couldn't really find a decent one in a wrecker, so I ended up getting this. So this is available online and it fits perfectly. So that's cool. So we'll put that on, we'll show how it looks. So I went ahead and washed the knob, so it looks pretty new, and this fits perfectly on here. It looks pretty stock. So I have some double-sided sticky tape here, but what I'm going to do here is we're going to try some contact cement first. So we'll try this contact cement. We'll put a little bit on the back side of that and a little bit of here. I'll mask this off so I don't have any runoff, and we'll see if that adheres. If not, then we'll go with the double sticky tape. So we'll see how it works.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So I waited about 5 minutes here, and the contact cement has kind of evaporated here, all the solvent, and now it's somewhat tacky, so we'll put it on. Right on. Well, that was a pretty easy mod. I'll put a link in the description below on where I got this decal from, and hopefully you could do something similar to your shift knob. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
It sound right, boy.